Welcome to my class. In this class, we will make a distinction between multitasking, multiprogramming, and multiprocessing operating systems. In the previous three videos, we talk about these concepts in detail. Here we shall make a distinction. Multitasking involves a single CPU. Similarly, multiprogramming also involves a single CPU. Whereas multiprocessing is concerned, in this case, two or more CPU are involved. Second point, in case of multitasking, it refers to standalone computer environment. But in the case of multiprogramming, it refers to multi-users networked environment. In case of multiprocessing, it refers to multi-users environment. The third distinction is, in case of multitasking, two or more programs are executed in the same CPU for single user. In this case, there is only one user and his computer is standalone computer. But when we talk about multiprogramming, in this case, two or more programs are executed in the CPU for number of users. Here there are more number of users and they are connected to one main server, and they make request to the server, and the server processes the request of number of users at the same time. But in the case of multiprocessing, we have more number of CPUs, and different CPUs can process different programs or different segments of the same programs. Fourth point, in case of multitasking, a part of the program is executed, then part from another program is executed, and then from the first one, and so on. So this is termed as concurrent execution. In the case of multiprogramming, a part of the program is executed, then part from another program is executed, and then from the first, and so on. So even in the case of multiprogramming, we have concurrent execution. Concurrent execution means execution is happening at the same time. Multiprocessing. Instructions from different programs or different instructions from the same program are processed at the same time. This is the case of simultaneous or parallel execution. The fifth point, in case of multitasking, in case the CPU stops functioning, the whole computer stops. In multiprogramming, the networked environment comes to a complete breakdown if CPU of the main computer fails. But in case of multiprocessing, complete breakdown is avoided because there are many CPUs. If one of the CPU does not work, in that case, its job is taken over by other CPUs. Sixth point, in case of multitasking, normal PC can be used. The PC we have over at home or in our offices, they all are multitasking PC. In case of multiprogramming, we can make use of PCs, mini-frames and mainframes. In case of multiprocessing, supercomputers are used. Seventh point is, multitasking is based on time sharing concept. Multiprogramming is also based on time sharing concept. But in case of multiprocessing, it is based on task sharing concept. Thank you very much.